Welcome to Speaking Academy. Today, we bring you the story Lily and the Beach. Discover useful A2 English vocabulary as you listen. Have fun! Next, let's look at the key English words. These words will make the story easier to understand. Here are the words: swimsuit, sunglasses, towel, spade, shore, waves, sandcastle, crab, sunset, diary. Lily and the beach. Lily decides to spend a summer day at the beach. She puts on her swimsuit, a wide hat, and sunglasses to protect herself from the sun. She carries a towel, a small bucket, and a spade in her bag. The weather is hot. The sky is clear, and the sea is bright blue. When she arrives, Lily spreads her towel on the soft sand near the shore. She takes off her shoes and feels the warm sand under her feet. The sound of the waves makes her feel calm. She watches a seagull flying above and a boat moving slowly on the water. Lily starts building a sand castle with her bucket and spade. She digs a hole, makes towers, and decorates the castle with shells and small rocks. A little crab walks by, and Lily laughs when it hides quickly in the sand. Later, she drinks cold water and eats some fresh fruit. Then she runs to the sea and swims. She jumps over the waves and plays in the water. The sea feels cool, and Lily enjoys the freedom of swimming far from the beach. In the afternoon, she takes a short rest on her towel and reads a magazine. She also writes a few lines in her diary about her fun day. Children nearby are playing with a ball, and Lily joins them for a while. They laugh and run together until they get tired. When the sun starts to go down, the sky turns orange and pink. Lily sits quietly and watches the beautiful sunset. The beach looks peaceful and magical. After drying herself, she eats dinner at a small cafe near the sea. At night, Lily walks home slowly, still hearing the sound of the waves in her mind. She feels happy, tired, and thankful for her wonderful day at the beach. Well done! Practice every day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.